This short video is going to take you through installing and then using the CiteIt tool. The CiteIt tool is a useful function that helps you save resources into your personal collection. You can use the CiteIt tool to add things from inside Summon and from inside your reading list, or from elsewhere on the internet outside the library collection. What this means is that you can add YouTube videos, podcasts, newspaper articles, and more to your collection. You can also add things like journal articles if you're using resources such as Google Scholar. This short video is going to show you how to install the CiteIt bookmarklet and then how to use it. So to install the CiteIt bookmarklet, first you need to make sure that your bookmarks bar is visible. This does depend and change depending on what browser you use. Once your bookmark bar is visible, simply click on your initials here in the top right corner and select CiteIt. This will open up this box for you. All you have to do from here is grab this button here, move it to your bookmarks bar and drop it. This will now be there permanently whenever you open your browser. Once that's installed, you can begin to use it. To show you an example, if you're on YouTube and wanted to save a useful video into your collection, simply click on the button you've installed you're saving it into your collection here. Make sure all the information is correct. You can edit it if it isn't. Click Add and Close. And as you can see, your item was successfully collected. And then you can click through to your collection page. And there it is, saved and ready for you to use whenever you want.